Herbal Magic and Potion Making, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Herbal magic is an ancient practice that taps into the mystical properties of herbs and plants. Potion making, a subset of herbal magic, involves crafting powerful elixirs for various purposes. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the fascinating world of herbal magic and potion making, covering everything from understanding the magical properties of herbs to creating potent remedies through recipes and rituals. Chapter 1: Understanding Magical Properties of Herbs. Herbal Correspondences. Explore the associations between herbs and magical intentions. Learn which herbs align with love, protection, healing, and other purposes. Energetic signatures. Delve into the concept of energetic signatures of herbs and how they influence the magical properties. Chapter 2: Essential Tools and Supplies. Herb Selection. Guide on choosing herbs for your magical work, considering factors such as freshness, quality, and ethical sourcing. Magical Tools. Introduction to the tools needed for potion making, including mortar and pestle, cauldron, and ritualistic items. Chapter 3: Basic Potion Making Techniques. Infusions and decoctions. Learn the difference between infusions, hot water extracts, and decoctions, boiling extracts, and when to use each method. Tinctures and elixirs. Explore the process of creating alcoholic extracts and sweetened herbal elixirs. Chapter 4: Creating Magical Remedies. Love Potions. Recipes and rituals for crafting love-infused potions using herbs known for their romantic properties. Protection Elixirs. Explore methods to create potions that enhance spiritual protection and ward off negativity. Healing Brews. Discover herbal combinations for promoting physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. Chapter 5: Rituals for Potion Making. Moon Phase Magic. Understand the significance of moon phases in potion making and how to align your brewing with lunar cycles. Elemental Correspondences. Explore how the elements, earth, air, fire, water, can be incorporated into potion making rituals. Chapter 6: Advanced Herbal Magic Techniques. Synergistic Blending. Learn the art of combining herbs for enhanced magical potency. Alchemy and Transformation. Understand the transformative aspects of potion making, akin to alchemical practices. Chapter 7: Magical Uses of Common Herbs. Lavender. Explore the magical properties and uses of lavender in potions for relaxation, clarity, and love. Rosemary. Understand how rosemary can be employed in protection spells and memory-enhancing elixirs. Wrap up with a summary of key takeaways, emphasizing the importance of ethical practices, respect for nature, and personal intention in herbal magic and potion making. This guide provides a solid foundation for those seeking to embark on a journey into the enchanting realms of herbal magic and potion crafting. Benefits and advantages of herbal magic and potion making. Natural healing. Herbal potions harness the natural healing properties of plants, promoting holistic well-being for physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Energetic enhancement. Engaging in herbal magic aligns your energy with the potent vibrations of herbs, amplifying your intentions and creating a harmonious energetic environment. Customization and personalization. Potion making allows individuals to tailor remedies to their specific needs, fostering a personalized approach to magic that resonates with individual energies and goals. Connection to nature. Working with herbs deepens your connection to nature, allowing you to tap into the earth's energy and wisdom, enhancing your spiritual journey. Enhanced intuition. The intuitive process of selecting and combining herbs cultivates a heightened sense of intuition and psychic awareness, allowing for greater insight into your spiritual path. Ritual and ceremony. Potion making provides a framework for engaging in rituals and ceremonies, adding a sacred and intentional dimension to your magical practice. Self-empowerment. Crafting your own potions empowers you to take an active role in your spiritual journey, promoting a sense of self-reliance and confidence in your magical abilities. Psychological well-being. Engaging in herbal magic and potion making can have positive effects on mental health, reducing stress, anxiety, and promoting a sense of peace and balance. Spiritual growth. Herbal magic serves as a tool for spiritual exploration and growth, allowing individuals to deepen their understanding of themselves and the mystical realms. Cultural and historical connection. Exploring herbal magic connects practitioners to ancient traditions and cultural practices, fostering a sense of continuity with the wisdom of the past. Environmental consciousness. Potion making encourages ethical harvesting and sustainable practices, promoting environmental consciousness and responsible interaction with nature. Community building. Sharing herbal knowledge and potion-making skills fosters a sense of community among practitioners, creating opportunities for learning, collaboration, and mutual support. Positive intentions. The act of potion making encourages the cultivation of positive intentions, promoting a mindset focused on growth, healing, and positive transformation. Culinary and aesthetic pleasure. Some potion ingredients are culinary herbs, adding a sensory pleasure to the experience. The process can also appeal to the aesthetic senses, creating a magical and visually appealing practice. Increased awareness of plant magic. Engaging in herbal magic deepens your awareness of the magical properties of plants, allowing you to integrate this knowledge into various aspects of your life. Herbal magic and potion making offer a multitude of benefits, from enhanced well-being and self-empowerment to a deeper connection with nature and spiritual growth. This ancient practice continues to be a source of inspiration and transformation for those who embrace its enchanting possibilities.